Well, the May 16th tornado claimed lives and destroyed thousands of properties. Concerns about the city's response have been raised before, and tonight a new independent audit finds that many of those failures might have been prevented. 5 on your side's Brent Solomon is here now with the findings. Brent.
Well, Mike, I've been going through the 70-page document since the city released it just hours ago. The emergency management director was placed on paid leave days after the storm. Today, Sarah Russell met with city leaders for a pre-termination hearing.
It's been 3 months now since that deadly tornado ripped through St. Louis, leaving North City devastated. Now, a new report from a local law firm pointing out flaws in the city's emergency management department. Commissioner Sarah Russell, according to the report, was not at the emergency management office until nearly 2 hours after the tornado struck. It points to a major communication gap between the department and fire and police officials. Although tornado sirens didn't go off, the audit found even if they had been manually activated, a large part of the affected areas would have still been out of the siren's range. What's more, the audit says the department was understaffed, underfunded, and under-resourced. The law firm suggests the city takes action, including stepping up staffing and monthly testing of emergency sirens. Recently, St. Louis upgraded its siren system so that it's automatically triggered when there are alerts from the National Weather Service. Monday, Mayor Kara Spencer saying in part, "This investigation makes it clear that there were breakdowns on several levels on May 16th, but also before and after. I am committed to putting this report to work so the city of St. Louis can respond at the highest possible levels in any future disaster."
So we have placed that entire audit for you to see for yourself on KSDK.com. Meantime, the mayor is planning a news conference tomorrow to discuss these findings, which may shed light on what's next.